Oh, honest answer now, alright? Are you all wearing green tights under your leathers and your jeans? Are you honest? Come on.
Potentially.
X. I knew it!
Yes.
I knew it! There we go. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
We're here with Matt.
On
Who are
a
you?
bright, so director for the Sherwood chapter. We're here on a bright, sunny day. We're going to go for a blast on the motorcycle.
So where are we in Nottingham at the moment?
At the minute, we're in Derby.
Yeah.
So we're at Market in McDonald's. Meet point is here, and then we're going to go for a nice ride around the Peak District, and then we're going to ride back to Robin Hood Harley Davidson.
Fantastic. Sounds good. There's been a good turnout as well.
Fantastic.
Have a look at all
turnout.
these bikes. And we got a fantastic turnout as well. This,
Oh yeah.
this is going to be a good day. Right, let's go. I can smell a lot of petrol. Oh, lovely. Well, that was a lovely ride. I gotta say, these guys are riding us hard. Have a look at this. These pegs are brand new this morning. Look at that. Someone's come prepared. I like a man prepared. What you got in there?
Cheese and pickle.
Can't go wrong with cheese and pickle.
I've just read the sign that says
Yeah.
You can only eat and drink what you buy from here, so I'm
Oh,
eat it in the
that's
car.
cheeky. Well, they're not doing food. And they, well, that's not good. But here we
Said
go.
on the briefing that
Yeah,
you could get a drink, but not.
yeah, yeah. What's happening in here? Let's have a look at some of all these bikes that are here. One of the boys has counted it up. And there's 47 bikes here. It's awesome. Let's have a look. There's the boys. Oh, well, sorry. They're getting a lot of glare off your head. Oh, oh, and mine. Oh, no. Look at that. That's cool, isn't it? Camera warning, guys. I'm getting all the sexy bikes in the shot here.
How many did you say there were?
47.
47.
Yeah. Camera warning, Phil.
What's that, mate?
I've caught you snacking.
Drinking, healthy, boy, healthy.
Hello.
Bananas.
What's that? What's
Hey.
banana? Banana.
Anyway, I got all the,
Oh.
I got the Mars bars in there.
Oh. A man prepared. Oh, that's my dream bike by there. Road Glide ST. One day she will be mine. Look at that. It's lovely. Oh, nice Cholo style by there. Nice Cholo King. Look at that front wheel. Nice. How you do? I'm getting a shot of all the lovely bikes. Oh, yeah. We can't do much about that, really. There's the boss. Right, boss?
Filming.
Still filming.
Good enough.
Talking nonsense. Oh, there's an El Diablo.
Dude, how are you?
Hello, hello. I'm filming all the sexy bikes. Camera warning. Camera warning. Right, that's all of them. What a lovely day. Look at the weather.
Everyone's running like they stole a dream. Images of magazines. Take your chance while you're still young. Glory flickers like a candle in the desert sun. Wasted time on an overpass, watching how nothing lasts. The streets are filled with a hollow glow. The bellies ache where shallow hungers grow. Don't rush me, I just want a little more time. Everyone grows older, we all just want to start again. Don't rush me, I do you hide on a quiet night when your fears are nestled by your side? The TV screen burns too bright. You sit and talk, a ghost behind your eyes.
Well, we've made it to Robin Hood Harley, guys. We're here. There it is. There's Neil. Ah! We made it.
Awesome day, fair play.
Excellent. Let's have a look about. I got you eating. I got you eating. We made it.
We made it. Yeah.
Yay.
Cheers. You alright, babe?
There's Jake.
Hello.
Let's have a little look around. Very, very nice. Very, very good. Look at this. They've got pastries for us. They got tea and coffee. Nice. Me and Lee are just admiring the chop here. What do you reckon, Lee?
It's the best thing in here.
Let's have a look.
Really good design. You buy the case for free. Yeah.
Sounded lovely as well.
It's got the dampener on it, so make vibrations exactly the camera. I've got one of these.
Isn't it sweet? We've had a nice time here at Robin Hood Harley, meeting everyone. Now it's time to head back to the hotel and have some more beers. Let's go. Back to the Gurkha Kitchen and Harley Bar now. Here's everyone. Hey. How's it going back there, everyone? Hey. Let's have a look outside. This is Nottingham. Living the dream. Living the dream. Hello, everyone. We've had our food in the Gurkha restaurant and we're in the Harley Bar now, having a drink, chilling out. Here's everyone. There's Lee, James. I'm filming. Where's everyone going? Oh. Ollie! Good haircut. Oh, that's not very nice. That wasn't very nice. Come on out. Charming, charming. Gaz?
That's good.
What's happening, Gaz?
Oh, hi buddy, you okay? How's the filming going, Brett? You scrubbed up well tonight.
I know what I'm doing.
You scrubbed up well tonight, buddy.
There's Charmer, Charmer. There's the ladies. What's happening, ladies?
Yes, yes.
Fantastic. Let's carry on. Show us how it's done now. Champion. Neil, what do you want about? What do you want about?
Oh, boys, you're on about some patch or something?
Some, what? Okay. Hang on. What do you want about?
I haven't seen it yet. Let me have a look at that. Oh, let me have a look. Let me put my glasses on.
Right, the directors are here to wrap up the weekend.
Amazing weekend. Thanks for coming, Welsh Dragon. It's been awesome.
Thanks, Brett, for taking all the photos. Yeah, brilliant, man.
What a weekend. Fantastic.
sign of you coming home, 'cause you'll never find what you're looking for. I've been making up lies to buy you more time, in case you decide you belong by my side. As soon as the spring comes, this home it ain't enough. That road out my window hangs fixed within your eyes. So I hold every moment like a hazy goodbye. All right. Pay no regard, leave no regret. Your unguarded heart can always forget. Your rambling soul won't find no peace. Building a home on love like a thief. Yeah. Soon as the spring comes, this home it ain't enough. That road out my window hangs fixed within your eyes. So I hold every moment like a hazy. And all of those midnight street riders with horses on fire are coming out to take you away. Singing songs from broken hearts, pulling on those broken parts, and I watch them carry